Hi everyone, this is Abdul Rashid. Welcome back to our daily JavaScript tips and tricks videos. In this video, we are going to discuss about the this operator. So everybody knows that in JavaScript, the normal function, it has its own this. So we are going to explain that one. So in our code, I already mentioned one button and also I assigned one ID for that particular button, and that ID is called my button. So I am taking this button, or I am assigning this button to a variable that is called my button, and also I am assigning this element to this variable by using getElementById, and I am applying one click event for that one. Add even listener, click my function. So we want to create one new function called my function one. So I declare a function that is called my function and apply one background color for this particular button by using style.background color. So it will apply this background color red to this particular element. So when I click on this right button, see, now you can see that background of this button changed to red color. So this is our basic code. So I am applying this one by the help of normal function this operator. So how it will be? I just remove this one. And here I just add this one. I just add this one instead of my button, and I add one click event called click, and also here I am calling one function, and the syntax will be like this. We are calling one function, and here we are going to write our code. Now this function doesn't have function name, just define the attribute. So this event listener has two attributes, one is events and another for function. Now I am removing this one. So we need to apply that background color to this particular button. How we can apply? We can apply background color equal to red. So in this way we can apply. No, you know, when we try to click on this button, nothing will happen. So when I copy this one and add here, now it will work. See, it's applying that red color to this one. So instead for this document.getElementById, we can use this button. So this will indicate to this document.getElementById of this particular ID that we mentioned here. So this button. So this will indicate this one. This will indicate this one. So that is this operator is doing actually here. Now we just refresh and click on that one. Now it's working. So I hope that everybody understand the concept of this operator in this normal function. How to use this in normal function.